everybody, my name is Ian Navarro, and today we're going to explore different anchor options and how to tell if they're secure and sound, strong enough for climbing application. So here we have a 3-piece traditional anchor built with 3 different cams. As you noticed, I used 2 different crack systems, and I ensured that these boulders are large and heavy, and they look like they're seated in a solid foundation. So after I place these 3 pieces, I've done the very common and probably most often used cordelette anchor. This is an 18-foot piece of 7mm cordelette made from nylon. I went ahead and strung all 3 pieces to each carabiner, equalized them towards the direction of pull, tied an overhand on a bight, and connected them with 2 locking carabiners. To check this system, I'm going to use an acronym known as NERDS. NE in the word NERD stands for non-extension. So if one of these legs happened to unclip, the anchor point still did not extend. So that means that this anchor has achieved non-extension. R stands for redundancy, meaning that we've used multiple things inside the system to ensure that if one piece failed, another one would stay sound and secure. So not only do we have 3 different pieces, which represents redundancy, we've also used 2 different crack systems, which represents redundancy. And at the master point, we have 3 different pieces of the cordelette, which also represents redundancy. And last but not least, 2 locking carabiners at the master point, opposite and opposed, also represent redundancy. The D in NERD stands for direction of pull. So I ensured that when I tied this loop together that it pointed towards the direction of the climb. And last is S for solid. So double checking that these rocks are solid and secure and aren't going to move, and that the cracks aren't corroded or wearing or chipping or flaking. And I've gone ahead and assessed this anchor using acronym NERDS, and I say that it's sound and ready to climb on.